ADCERAX is an advanced technical ceramics manufacturer built around one promise. From the moment you send us your drawing, to the moment the finished ceramic parts arrive at your dock, we are your single partner for the entire workflow. We manufacture custom alumina, zirconia, silicon carbide, silicon nitride, aluminum nitride, and over 15 other advanced ceramic material families in our own factories. For projects that need one prototype, 50 pieces, or a full production run. ADCERAX manufactures components in more than 20 advanced ceramic material families under one roof. On the oxide side, we produce alumina ceramic impurities from 95% to 99.9%, zirconia ceramic, magnesia ceramic, beryllia ceramic, and quartz ceramic. On the non-oxide side, we produce sintered and silicon carbide ceramic, silicon nitride ceramic, aluminum nitride ceramic, hexagonal boron nitride ceramic, and boron carbide ceramic. On the composite side, we offer zirconia toughened alumina, metallized ceramics, and nano-ceramic. For most customer projects, this means you no longer need to manage 3 or 4 separate ceramic suppliers for different parts of the same assembly. One drawing package, one point of contact, one quality system, one shipment. Choosing the right ceramic material for your application is often harder than designing the part itself. ADCERAX engineers work with you on this selections and recommend the material family and purity grade that best matches your conditions. The material advice you get as if you had a ceramics engineer on your own team.